Apollo.io is a powerful tool that can be integrated with LinkedIn to streamline lead generation and sales outreach. Here's how to use Apollo.io with LinkedIn effectively. Sign up and set up Apollo.io. First, sign up for an Apollo.io account. After logging in, set up your profile and connect your email and CRM to the platform for seamless workflow integration. Install the Apollo.io Chrome extension. Apollo.io offers a Chrome extension that you can install to directly integrate with LinkedIn. This allows you to find and extract contact information from LinkedIn profiles. Search for leads on LinkedIn. Use LinkedIn's advanced search filters to find your ideal prospects. Apollo.io can capture and extract lead information such as emails, job titles, and company data directly from LinkedIn profiles, helping you expand your lead list. Enrich leads. Apollo.io automatically enriches LinkedIn contacts with additional information like verified emails, phone numbers, and company details, allowing you to target leads more effectively. Automated outreach. After enriching your leads, use Apollo.io's email automation feature to create personalized outreach sequences. You can sync the leads from LinkedIn directly to Apollo.io, where you can set up follow-up emails, track opens and responses. Track and optimize. Monitor your campaign's performance within Apollo.io to optimize your outreach and increase conversions.